Today we're gonna make some pumpkin pie. Normally this recipe cooks for 7 to 10 people, but it's just me, so I'll just divide the servings by 8.5 people. It's probably like 1.7 ounce of pumpkin puree. Some thick milk, I'm using the cow one. We're gonna do like 1.6 ounces. I only need a third of an egg, so I'll use a sharp knife for exact measurement. I guess this one's dull. I'll just scoop in about a third of an egg. I'm substituting table cinnamon for ground cinnamon. I only need one 8.5th TSP. I only need like 1/20th of a TSP of some ginger, nutmeg, and salt molecules. So I'll be using some pinchers for this. I didn't have any nutmeg, so I'll use ginger and salt and a nut for the nutmeg. Next, you want to mix Alardo till smooth. Normally you need a full pie shell, but it's just me, so I'll just break off a piece. Go ahead and pour in your pie filling. And normally you bake for like 40 minutes for 7 to 10 people, but it's just me, so I'll do like 5 minutes at 350 F. To make sure it's done, I use the toothpick method. I can't remember what to look for, but the toothpick went in and out, so I guess it's done. Perfect. Taste test. Wow. You can really taste the flavor. Looks like extra calcium.